keep customers in the field longer and more productive. With Baler Storms and factory installed grease banks, customers can maximize their uptime even more. John Deere tractor baler automation takes the great technology in 30 Series Premium and R Series tractors and incorporates it with the premium round balers. This is an industry-exclusive technology for round balers. It helps customers to reduce operator fatigue and increase productivity. With 2 levels of automation, customers can focus more on creating the perfect bale and less time on stopping the tractor and kicking out the bale. Tractor baler automation just took round baling to a whole new level.